Whenever possible, using a barcode scanner is always the first option. To scan a barcode, please click here. Please be aware that not every edition supports barcode. If you don't have a barcode scanner or you hold the product item without barcode or you don't have real goods on hand when you hold a vendor's invoice or your edition doesn't support barcode, you need to enter it by product ID or description. Please click the button to add a new item of goods and services. Let's click the button to add a new item first and type first a few characters to search the item you want, say iPhone, and then press enter. If the item is not there, the system will ask you if you want to add it now. Simply click OK to start to create a new item of goods and services. Or you can scan barcode here, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If the barcode is not there, the system will ask you if you want to add it now. Simply click OK to start to create a new item of goods and services. Let's start to create a new item. You need to select one of categories first and then click OK button or simply press Enter key. Let's choose mobile phone category. You can see inventory, serialized, serial number width, serial number format will be copied to product item settings. You cannot add a new category here. If you need to add a new category, please go to Menu Collections and then Category of Goods and Services. You can click the button on the right bottom to open on-screen keyboard for touch screen to enter product details. By default, product ID will be category ID plus a sequence number. It makes much easier for you to sort product ID. That's one of the benefits of product category settings. But if you want, you can also change product ID by yourself. Some people care about product ID very much. By default, the length of product ID is 8. It can be extended. Product ID can be even changed after the item is in transactions because product ID is not linked to any other data tables. There is an internal field called product base ID linked to other data tables. And then you need to enter description. Additional description is not very important. It's only for your reference. You don't need scan barcode again if you already scan the barcode. And then press enter to go to the next line. Normally, you don't need to touch category again because it's already there. For most businesses, unit of measure is not important. But for some businesses, it could be extremely important. Inventory, serialized, serial number width and format are copied from product category settings automatically. That's one of the benefits of product category settings. Say for mobile phones, serial number width will be 15 and serial number format will be 0 automatically. Serial number format with 0 means IMEI number can only accept digits. If you enter 0 in serial number width, that means the width is not fixed. There are quite a few options for serial number format, 0 for digits only, 9 for digits and signs, such as a minus sign, A for alphabetic characters only, no spaces or punctuation marks, X for any characters. If the width of a serial number is bigger than the format you defined, the rest of characters in the serial number follow the last definition, say 0 means all digits only. You can define any one character in a particular position. Leave the format as blank means all characters can be entered. Purchases package and sales package are for non-serialized items. Package means an item is packed. There are some quantities in one package or even another package in one package. Package level can be up to 99. Purchases package means you buy this item in package pattern. Sales package means you sell this item in package pattern. By default, both sales and purchases tax are set to GST. You can either enter without tax sales price, normally for wholesale businesses, or with tax sales price for normally for retail businesses. You can enter sales discount quantity, sales discount amount or rate when reached to sales discount quantity here. Finally, simply click OK to complete data entry for the new item. If the item is serialized, the system will pop up the next window for scanning serial numbers. You can continuously scan serial numbers. Say 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1. You cannot scan the same serial number twice. Say if you scan 12345 12345 12345 again, the system will refuse your data entry. If you scan a serial number less than 15 or more than 15 digits, you cannot get through the system because you set serial number width as 15 already. If you scan a serial number with any characters other than digits, you will be stuck as well because you set serial number format as digits only. After you click OK button, a small window for quantity and purchases unit price before tax will be pop up. For serialized items, you cannot manually enter quantity, which will be counted automatically based on the number of serial numbers you scanned. But for non-serialized items, you need to enter quantity. You can always use the number pad in the right for a touch screen. Enter purchases unit price and it will be convert to unit cost based on average cost method for inventory items. You can click the button Edit Product Details on the bottom to go back to change the product item details. To complete the purchases invoice you are doing, simply click the button Complete the Purchases document and then click OK button.